Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a complete guide on dropshipping. Before we start with the video, I wanted to share that this video is quite comprehensive. I have covered almost each and every part of dropshipping, right from what it is, how to do it, what are the different strategies to do it, what are the websites that you can go and start your business from, and what are the pros and cons of this particular business. And at the end, I have also given a case study on one of the dropshipping business. Because of its comprehensive nature, it is not possible for me to cover this big video in one single shoot. So what I have done is I have broken it up into two different parts. Today you're watching part 1 of this video, and I would highly recommend you to subscribe to this channel and click that notification button. You will be immediately notified once I release part 2 of this video. Part 2 of this video will be released in a couple of days. So let's first understand what exactly is drop shipping. So the word dropshipping is nothing but the synonym of the word reselling. Quite synonymous. But in reselling, what do? We take a product from a wholesaler and sell it to somebody else, a customer. That somebody else is basically the customer. In the whole process, we keep a small margin for ourselves, and that is our net profit. Now, in this concept of dropshipping, the core concept remains the same. However, this particular method is shifted to online mode. So here, the dropshipper has its own website or any page wherein they list all the products that they are selling. And these products are basically taken from the wholesaler. They do not buy the product or stock up the product from the wholesaler, but these dropshippers, they only take the pictures or the videos of these products from the wholesaler. Let's say a product is costing 100 rupees at wholesaler's end. So what this dropshipper will do is they will take the pictures and videos of that product and post it on their page for 120 rupees, keeping 20 rupees as their own profit margin. Once they do that, they will start doing a digital marketing for this particular channel through various modes. There are different ways to do free marketing as well as paid marketing, which I'm going to share further in the videos. So they market this particular page wherein all the products are listed, and when the customer comes here, they click on particular item, they buy their product. This particular wholesaler directly ships the product to this particular customer. Now in this whole process, the dropshipper only takes care of identifying the product, putting it up on their website or page, doing the marketing job, attracting more customer, and the wholesaler takes care of the manufacture of that product, shipping of that product, and this is how the customer gets the product. So in simple words, I have covered complete concept of dropshipping. Now let us understand what are the important factors of dropshipping. While I was understanding about this particular business, there are two major important factors for any dropshipper to take into immediate consideration and to really be considerate about it. That is, one, the trust of the customer, and two, the marketing part. So these are the two things that the dropshipper takes care of completely. So now when I talk about the trust of the customers, there are various ways in which this particular person can gain the trust of the customers. For example, through their social media websites, through their social media channels, through their social media pages, through their e-commerce website, etc., etc. Say this particular dropshipper is selling a power bank. Now, to gain that credibility from the customers, ideally the dropshipper needs to gain a lot of trust, because nobody will come to your page or to your website and straight away buy anything from you, because nowadays people are quite even skeptical about spending money somewhere when it comes to anonymous websites or pages. So it is very, very crucial for the dropshipper to invest some time in gaining the trust. They can also get some certifications. There are various certifications which they can get easily on minimal charges, which they can list on their website, attract the trust of the customers. Secondly, you can also get a virtual office to update on your website. Now, this particular virtual office will gain the trust of the customer. Now, where is this virtual office important? Let's say if you are sitting in India and drop shipping in US. Definitely, it is not practically possible for you to go there, open one office and then ship the products, right? And the person who is sitting in US and buying a particular product from your website, that particular person will also be quite inhibited to buy that product from your website, because they might feel that this guy is located in a different country. How do I catch him if he's not delivering the product, if there is any fraud that happens with me? In that case, to gain the trust of the customer, you can get a virtual office at a bare minimum amount in that particular country. Make the website in such a way that it psychologically captures the mind of a person and makes that person feel at home. These are the two strategies I have listed of gaining trust of the customer. Third strategy is also sharing lot of free information about the topic related to somewhere around the same product. In that particular case, the customer will start strongly feeling, the target audience will start feeling that this person is very knowledgeable, has a lot of ideas, and over a period of time, they will develop a trust on you. And because of that trust, it will be easier for you to sell any product to them. This is how you gain the trust of your target audience. Now, let's understand what is involved in the second factor, that is marketing. Now, when I talk about marketing, please clearly understand that we are here only talking about digital marketing, since we have a virtual store. The store that we are working into and selling our product through is completely online. It can be on our Instagram, it can be on our Facebook page, it can be on Facebook Marketplace, it can be through your own website, own e-commerce website. Now, in this whole process, there is one very important criteria that we should understand is we should be able to make this particular product reach to our target audience, and this reach can only happen when you are clearly aware of the concepts of digital marketing. Trust me, I am a person who never knew about digital marketing. I always used to hire people for digital marketing, but if you start doing it from small amount of money, it is not that difficult. You will be able to do it, but what you need is consistency and lot of passion to earn money. That's all is required to do digital marketing. So SEO optimization, Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube free content. You can create your channel and share free content to people, gain their trust, and then market a product to them, wherein they know that in case tomorrow any fraud happens, this particular person is the one which I can go and catch hold. So this is something which is very important in the business of dropshipping. Let's understand further what are the websites that from where you can actually get the products. Now, these are very few websites that I'm going to list. There are many more. You need to do a lot of research, and it is only 10% of the total work. The 90% of the total work is all about marketing. Alright, so I have listed all the websites that you can go and check out. These are the wholesaler websites from where you can actually get the product, list them on your page and sell them. So please do check the comment section and the description box, wherein I have listed all the website I could find. Also, a disclaimer here before tying up with any reseller. Please verify the facts at your own risk. It is not a sponsored video. It is the video which is very informative. I have shared all the details about dropshipping. But when you go to any website and check that, get it verified first, and then only go ahead with any process. So that's all about today's video. Then in the next video, I am going to talk about important strategies that you can definitely use to get customers easily. Secondly, I am going to talk about the pros and the cons and the myths about dropshipping. 3, how well it is executable in different countries. 4, a live case study on dropshipping. That's all I'm going to cover in the next video. So do not forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to my channel for more such informative videos. Until then, bye-bye, take care, have a good day.